In this video, we are going to discuss about the new features that is being added in Odoo 14 point of sale module. So let's have a look on that. So let's go to our point of sale module. So first, get into your point of sale module. So here you can see the dashboard of your point of sale. Now let's take the configuration and from there select the settings of your point of sale. So in Odoo 14, there is a new feature that is being added, that is in case of inventory management. So here you can see a new option for inventory management, and under this itself we have the two other options, that is at the section closing as well as in the real time. So at the section closing, in the sense means the stock would only be updated after the section is being closed, and whereas in real time, in the sense means the stock would be updated once the product or once the order or the sales happens. So this is the change in Odoo 14. So basically in Odoo 13 you would not be able to see this option under the settings of your point of sale module. So this is one of the feature that is newly added in Odoo 14. Now let's see more into this feature. So right now we have enabled this option, that is at the section closing. Now let's go to our dashboard. And now let's resume our shop. So before that, let's go to our product. Okay, so here we can see we are taking a product called as acoustic block screen, and now you can see here the on hand is 16. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. Just resume this section. Okay, so when you open this section, you can itself see certain new features that is being added here. So let's search for our product, that is acoustic block screen. So I have ordered, let's order 2 quantities. Okay, so I have ordered 2 quantities. So currently we have on hand is 16, and I have ordered the 2 quantities. So let me select any one of my customer, and now I am doing my payment from here. Okay, so let's do our payment here and let's validate this. So in case of our inventory management, we have enabled the option called as at the section closing. So let's close this, and now let's check the stock of a product that we have ordered, that is acoustic block screen. So for that, let's close our section, and now let's go and check the on hand quantity of the particular product. So basically with that option there should not be change in the on hand quantity, because right now we have not closed as well as validated our session. So you can see here right now the on hand quantity is 16. Now let's go to our session and just close this, and now let's see whether it brings a change in our on hand quantity of the particular product. So let's have a look on the product on hand. So yeah, so here you can see the on hand quantity of the product, that is the acoustic block screen, is being changed to 40. Yeah, so it kind of works, that is when we have enabled the option that is at the section closing. So basically when you enable that option, the stock would be only updated when the particular session is closed as well as validated. So yeah, so this is one of the change, that is in case of session closing. Now let's see in case of real time. So in real time we mean that the stock will update once the POS sales happen. So let's have a look on that one also. So for that, let's go to the configuration. Yeah, now let's make this as in real time and let's save this. Okay, so right now we are looking into one in real time. So we have saved this. Now let's go to our dashboard. So before moving into that, let's take one of the product and let's watch its on and okay. So similarly we can take this acoustic block screen itself. So right now its on hand is 14 because in the last order we have what we have used the two other quantities. We have used the two quantities of acoustic block screen itself. So right now we have 40. Now let's move to dashboard and let's open this session. Now since we have made the inventory management in real time, so its stock would be updated once the POS sales happens. So let's have a check whether it works or not. So here you can see your session is loading. Okay, so let's search for our product. Acoustic block screen. So right now I'm ordering only one quantity. Let me select any one of my customer and let me make the payment for that. So okay, so right now I'm validating this and I'm just closing this session. So right now what has happened is that we have made a sale. So let's see whether it's on hand or whether there is in change in the stock of that particular product. So as the feature says, there would be a change or there should be a change in that. Yeah, obviously you can see there is a change in the on hand quantity of the product that you ordered in real time. So yeah, this is the main feature, or this is the extra feature, that is the new feature you can say, that is being added in inventory management, that is inventory management in POS. So this is the new feature, that is at the session closing as well as in real time you can manage your inventory in POS.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.